Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for John in Vermont on this Anytone at-6666. John, I got ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, and the ERF2030 plus MOSFET upgrade. Let's get right to it here. AM with the RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. We said about 2 watts, John, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Right a hair under 20 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 50 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug PEP. Hello. Actually, we're on average, so 70 bird. 250 watts PEP. Hello. 120 PEP. I know you talk sideband, so let's go on over here to sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, about 120. If you want to dial it down, you can. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2, and there it is, down to a 50 watt radio. Okay, this thing's loaded with bands. $10, $11, and some $12. All right, John, it's ready to go, bud. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.